Hi everyone, it's Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have some items from Joann, scrapbook.com, Pink Fresh Studio, Little Bird, and Altenew. I think that's it. So let's get started. So from Altenew, I picked up this sweet little layered wood flower die set. I haven't got to use it yet. I actually just received it today. So I'm very excited about these. I've seen some really pretty flowers on cards made with this layered wood flower die set. So excited about that. They also sent a mini inspiration guide, which is nice to give you some ideas on how to use their products. And then I also got this workshop guide, and I haven't really got a chance to look at it either, but it gives you instructions on how to create the cards and the photos. So that was nice. So that was from Altenew. From Joann, I picked up some ribbon from the Christmas sale that maybe I'll use on cards, maybe not. Like this ribbon right here, it's really gorgeous. It's thin and it's pretty, it's really pretty, and I can use this on cards. Now this ribbon, it's a cording, and I probably will use this for like banners. And I got it in white too. Got two of them in white. So this is, and it has like a shimmer to it. And then I picked up from the Place and Time this ribbon. I think I picked this up before, and may have already used it on a card. I'm not sure, but I think this will look really pretty on the card. And then I also picked up this Woodland Lodge ribbon, and this is really pretty, and you get a lot of ribbon. So this will make a really pretty bow for maybe a wreath. Alrighty, and so that was from Joann. And then I did go to Michael's. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. And they had this really pretty twine that was super inexpensive. I think it was either 50 or 60% off, and it's really thick. And once again, I can use this in my decorating. Definitely not on a card because it's so chunky, but I thought that was an awesome find. Then from scrapbook.com, I picked up a new doll. This is the Julie Nutting Cling Stamp doll, and this is Valentina. And I'm really kind of rethinking the Julie Nutting stamps that I purchased. When I purchased them, I am most likely I'm going to paper piece them. So I have to look at them as far as how easily they will be to cut out or not. So I thought she was pretty good. She only has this part right here with her arms from her dress. So I thought this was a cute one, and this is Valentina. And then I picked up these puffy stickers from Sugar Cookie, Christmas stickers. It's 18 little puffy stickers, and if that's not the cutest little thing in the world, I don't know what is. And then I got these Santa Baby 18-piece stickers. Look at that little Christmas tree. It's cute. And then I got the ephemera for sugar sugar cookies for Christmas. And this is what you receive it. And all of this was marked down, so that's why I purchased it. And that little dear, adorable. And then I also picked up the paper pad, and the paper, this whole collection is by Prima. I didn't know if I mentioned that. And this is the 30 sheets. It's 6 double-sided designs, and you get 5 of each. So that's a lot. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. Just a quick flip through to give you some idea what it looked like if you haven't seen it. Just really cute. There's that adorable little deer. Look at him. Just cute. So that was what I picked up from scrapbook.com, and I also received some free double-sided foam adhesive shapes. I normally don't use these, but maybe I'll try them. They add a 3D pop, that's what they say. It's cute. So once again, that was it from scrapbook.com. And then I made a purchase from Pink Fresh Studio. God, I can't talk today. And I got this really, really cute die set. A stamp, and it's called A Whole Lot of Awesome. And it has the little birds and the little filigree and leaves and just swirls. All kind of goodness. And then they had marked down their Christmas items, and I purchased this Magical Christmas stamp set. And it's a little horse. You can make them into a unicorn. And there's the scarf that goes around his neck. And it says, I believe in Christmas and unicorns. So I guess it is a unicorn. But you don't have to make him a unicorn. And then I got the coordinating die. So that'll be nice for next year. So that's what I picked up from Pink Fresh Studio. And then last but not least, from Little Birdie. They had a sale going on. Some of their items have to be careful over there because they have dollar items, $2 items, $3. So before you know it, your cart could be just full of stuff. So I picked up these really pretty natural doilies. I thought these were really nice. And I think they're burlap. Yeah. Very nice. Can't wait to use those. And then these handmade flowers. They're so cute and so tiny. Perfect for a card. And they have a little bit of like cording on them, or twine. Really cute. And then I picked up these stickers for really quick, easy cards. This one says hello in dreams. This one, pink, says cute and amazing. Aren't these really cute and amazing? And then this turquoise one with the butterflies, adorable, and smile. And last but not least, the orange and yellow say happy and congratulations. So that was from Little Birdie. And it says handmade embellishments. Really cute. So I have a couple of cards that I want to share with you. This first one is with the Pink Fresh Studio Whole Lot of Awesome stamp set. I used some Jen Hadfield paper from the Heart of Home collection and the ephemera. And then I have some little sequins from my stash. And then I use my new oval nested die set from Gina Marie Dies. And then the cardstock is from Joann, and it's the Basil. But I thought this was super simple, cute, quick card to send off to someone who you think is a whole lot of awesomeness. The next card is just a little quick card I also made from just some scraps that were on my desk. This green paper. It's from Joann, it's Basil. And the stamp is from the Colorado Craft Company. It's the Big and Bold stamp set. And it's called Miss You Peony. And then the little dewdrops are from Pretty Pink Posh. I've been having those forever. I really like them. And then the sentiment is from, I can't remember the name. I'll put it down below. Gosh, I can't remember the name. It's the set that you get, and it's all the sentiments all together, and you just run them through a die, and you get a ton of sentiments. And it says, sending smiles across the miles. So I really like this. Really, really like this card. And then last but not least is a card I made from a Cricut cut file. And this is the Art Deco, the flapper. And the paper, once again, where all my paper usually comes from, Joann and Basil. And the happy birthday die, I don't know where I got that. I use it a lot, and I really like it because it's big and bold, and I like the two scripts. But this is cut out on my Cricut and pieced her together. I've made this card, used her before in a couple of cards. I really like her. And this card that I made is for someone who this flapper reminds me of her. So that's what I have to share from you, the 3 cards and then the actual craft haul. So if you have any questions, be sure to ask me below. Let me know which card you like the best. And stay tuned for tomorrow. I will be posting a very special video. So you want to watch out for that. I don't know exactly what time it'll post, but just keep an eye out. You don't want to miss it. And thank you for subscribing. And thank you for watching. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.